Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. Today we're going spirit free, which means instead of a cocktail, we're gonna go and shake up a mocktail. So I've decided for my first mocktail series to go with a virgin margarita. No reason behind it, that's only because I love a good margarita. And yeah, I'm gonna try and replicate the mocktail version of it. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's gonna taste nice. So why I have decided to go with this mocktail series is that generally sometimes when you're going out to party with your friends and your family, you want to go with a non-alcoholic version. If they're having a cocktail setup, you can kindly ask them or grab or take your sparkling water and try to use their ingredients and put your mocktail together. So yeah, so you won't feel left out. That's what I'm trying to say. Or if you're driving, obviously you shouldn't drink and drive. That's another reason I decided to come up with this series. Yeah, so let's go and crack on and make this cocktail together. What I'm doing, and I'm making a mess, is that you need to, same as a margarita cocktail, rim your glass. So for this, I have taken a lime wedge, if it comes out. Woo. Finally! Oh my god! And I'm gonna put that little devil there. So what you need to do, grab your glass, I'm not gonna rim the whole because like some people doesn't like salt that much, so I'm just gonna do and go with, I don't know, a third of the rim to make it salty. And what you need now, try and press some salt in. I can see that's a failure. So I'm back. Let's clean it up. We're gonna go one more time. Yeah. As I said, I'm a newbie. Don't expect me to do fancy bartender tricks yet, but I will try to learn and do them with you. So, this is even easier than. Oh my god, you should definitely try this rather than just dipping your glass inside a plate and just make it look cleaner. Obviously with practice you're gonna become much better at this rimming, but it will do for now. That's that. My glass ready. So I didn't mention this, but for mocktails it's better to go with fresh ingredients. Obviously if you want that flavor pop, it's even for the cocktails, you better go with the fresh ingredients. Otherwise, you can also go with store-bought orange juice, lime juice, any other juices that you use in your mocktail. So here, what we need is grab your shaker, and I'm gonna add ice later because I don't want my liquids to dilute before having everything in. So what you need first, you need to be careful and start with your lime juice. This is a store-bought, as I mentioned, but you can go with fresh lime as well. What you need is 30 milliliters. So that's one. Of fresh lime juice. Now instead of your triple sec, you can go with an orange juice. So I'm gonna add 30 ml of orange juice as well. 1, 2, that's done. And now we need 15 milliliters of agave syrup. get my syrup going in. And now, if you have like non-alcoholic tequila, you can add it. If not, that's not a problem. Everything's okay. You just need to skip that step, move on, get some ice, add it to your shaker, and start shaking. There you go. You've got it. That's my glass. That's my mocktail ready. I'm gonna strain it in. Once strained, do you see like it's not that yellow, it's a buttery yellow color? Let me first dilute it with my sparkling water. It might get slightly lighter. Right now it's like that buttery yellowish color. Probably that's because of the orange juice. But then what you need, you take out your chilled sparkling water. And top it off. Woo! It looks like a whiskey sour, but anyway, this is a virgin margarita. And just to garnish it, I'm gonna add my lime in. Ta-da! Your virgin margarita. I don't know if you can see the lime in there. It's swimming up there, floating up there. I will give it gentle stir just to make sure the sparkling water is mixed well with my mocktail ingredients. Now, moment of truth. We're gonna taste it and see how it tastes. Let's go. That's actually quite nice. You should definitely give it a try. It's a bit too acidic for me. Maybe it's because of the punchy store-bought lemon juice flavor. I'm not sure. Maybe I can add a bit of agave syrup to it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I couldn't resist, but I need to do this trick. Give me a second. Ooh. I can't do it with 3 limes anymore. I knew how to do it. Probably I need a bit more space and now I'm a bit too careful. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about our mocktail. And yeah, we're the Tipsy Duo. We're gonna come back with more cocktails and mocktails. Stay tuned. Bye bye.